हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? कैसे आप सब? गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। ओके, मैं तो आज स्ट्रीम को शेयर कर देता अपने सोशल मीडियाज़ पे। टेलन थोड़ा सा रुक जाए। ठीक है। आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? डू वी हैव न्यूज़ टुडे? आज तो ओके, मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ सब आवाज़ वगैरह ठीक है कि नहीं, देन स्ट्रीम को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो हाउ आर यू एवरीवन? गुड। Yes, I can hear my yes, God, thank you so much. Okay, chalo. So I think we should start the forecast and analysis for today. Just give me 2 sec. Okay, how are you, brother Joseph? I am fine, beautiful as always. All right, so think all are charged up. Let's start today's streaming. So, so how was your week, everyone? It's going good? Or gold is, being gold? Acha. So we are too bullish, right? We're so much bullish for now. I'll delete all this. Can you look on BTC also? Yeah, for sure. I'll look on BTC first, but I think first we should go with gold. So that is our nearest and dearest one. So I'll start my forecast with gold first. Before that, do you have any news? We have news in 8 minutes, but not that significant, but will be a sort of impact. Okay, housing starts. So I think this could be negative. This could be negative. So the reason behind we'll explain later. Not much of important one. So we'll hop back to the chart and we'll analyze gold first. So you could see, we'll start with daily time frame, right? So in daily time frame we are super bullish. I think this is not my chart. Okay. Just sorry for the inconvenience. Give me 2 minutes. I'll remove all this and come up with a fresh chart. All right. So I'll delete this as well. Okay, let it be there. So we'll move to daily time frame first, right? In daily time frame we can see that gold is being super bullish, right? It is achieving a high, all-time high after all-time high, right? It's going bullish after bullish. So can we look for sales in this price action? Yes, definitely, but that would be for just for scalping. You couldn't say that I'll sell from 2700 and maybe we can reach 2400 or 2500 in future. But probably it will, but before that it will stop you out, do everything and all. So in that case selling is possible, but that is for retracement or maybe for scalping purpose. So if you are looking for sales right now, your targets should be reasonable and should be around maybe 50 pips, 100 pips, 150 pips. To the max you can extend your TP to be 200 pips if I'll suggest you now, because the market sentiment is too much bullish, right? A 200 pips of retracement is way too much, right? So you should be looking for a nice decent 50 pips. You should be closing your profits 50%, 60%, and rest you can keep on break even for 100 pips. So 100 pips is a decent target in the sell side scenario for now, right? But if you are on a bullish side, right, if you are holding trades on the buy side, you can hold it for 500 pips, maybe 1000 pips, maybe 2000 pips. Who knows, that maybe 3000 is coming maybe in this end of this year, right? We don't know that. So as of now we can see that price action is strongly bullish. Our bias should be on the buy side, but as we are on daily time frame, we will mitigate or we'll drill down to the smaller time frame to find our demand zones or imbalances to be filled by gold, and probably from there we can continue our buy side journey, right? So this was the level from where we continued our buy side journey. So as I explained on a previous stream that this was the Fibonacci 61% in our daily time frame, right? So I will put that fib again for a better understanding that where the market could possibly go now, right, before a retracement. Remember, so I'll put a Fibonacci from this swing low to swing high, right? Correct? Am I correct? So if I'll do the line chart, right? So okay, not with the line chart. I think candlestick is fine. So if I'll do my I'll put my Fibonacci from this swing low to swing high. So this area is in the center of between 50% and the 61%, which is golden ratio, and we say this is the discount zone for the buying, right? We are in here, gold will be at cheaper price, right? Compared to this this price, we have cheaper price in here to do our further buying. So from there we saw a nice move, and possibly where could gold be targeting this is this area, right? This is my Fibonacci settings, right? If you want to know the settings, I'll show it to you. You can take a screenshot, but these are the two levels. First in the Fibonacci tool, where possibly the price targets after a pullback. See, the trend is this. We are bullish. After a pullback or a retracement, we see the extension, right? This is the fib extension. This part is known as extension. So if gold is extension, doing the extension thing, the first target should be around minus 38%, right? So it is coming around 2740, and to the max where it can go is this price area, 2772. But again, now we can say that this is too far as well. So maybe that is too far to consider now, right? From here it is less likely possible. So what we need the price to retrace again, right, to follow the retracement path again of this total bullish move, right? Again a 50% price should be in the discount zone of this total move, and then further we can continue our buy side to these ultimate targets, right? As I have explained earlier. So these are our daily targets, the 27, 38, 40 and 27. This is market 27.75. Okay, so I'll delete this Fibonacci for now, and these are the two zones, our targets I found out. So now what I'll do is I'll find out my discount zones and the imbalances which are left behind by gold. So the first one I can see is this one, right? I will mark this as gray. Because this is our imbalance, right? And after the imbalance you can see that we had our previous all-time high here, and we saw a breaker structure over here, right? You see, in daily time frame we had our breaker structure over here from the previous structure. Also we have an imbalance over here, right? So possibly if market retraces here, so what it could it will do two things. First, it will mitigate the imbalance which price have created. The second thing is that we'll have a test of our structure, right, which price broke the strong resistance, right, and then we can maybe continue higher, right? So we found this zone first, right, to be targeted as a discount price. And on the second hand, on the other discount zone is this. You see, we have another imbalance left behind in daily time frame, right? You could see, if I'll zoom in, you see we have the imbalance, or you say the fair value gap. Anything is fine. Okay, so I'll move to 4-hour time frame. I'll move over to 4-hour time frame so that we can refine our zone and find some possible order blocks or demand zone, supply zones, or maybe breaker block, or anything else is fine. So what we can see over here is we have the resistance on the left hand side. You see this, we have strong resistance. If I'll do the line chart in 1 hour probably. Okay, leave the line chart, we'll do with the candlestick. This is the resistance, right? Price did 1, 2, 3 touch, 4 touch, and gave a lot of retracement to the downside. So price now broke it to the upside, a retest, and then going up. Okay, this is our resistance zone, this is the key zone. So I'll name it as resistance became support, the RBS zone. Okay, so this is the RBS zone, key zone. Okay, so we have this fair value gap. We can see nothing in 4-hour time frame as of now. So I'll drill down to 1-hour time frame and see further. News almost starts, brother. News is not that significant, right? So we won't see that much move, because this is kind of okay news. Okay, housing starts, one is positive, one is negative, building permits. So maybe mixed news, right? So the technicals will be followed. So leave that news thing aside, because agar ye positive, if it would have been a very high impact news, I would have been, first go to the economic calendar, and further I would done the analysis, because I'm also a fundamental guy along with the technicals. So yes, I was explaining that this was our daily imbalance zone, right? I'll in 1 hour time frame, what you see over here a resistance manipulation zone, right? The previous resistance price took support and then never came back to retest, right? This is the order block as of now. In 30 minutes, what you can see again, this order block, and on top of it we have another flip zone, right? This is called a flip zone. We have two zones over here as of now. All right, I'll mark this extreme demand and this flip zone. All right, so we have two demand zones with us right now, this one and the top one for today. Okay, so to the upside we don't have any levels as of now, but what I can do is if I'll put a Fibonacci again on 1 hour time frame, in that case from the swing high to swing low, from this swing low to swing high, right? So price retested this 38% area, and again it may target this 27, 26, again this 38% area, right? This could be the target for today. I'll mark this area. Okay, possible area could be retested today on basis of 1 hour time frame on the fib extension tool with the fib extension tool. Okay, yes, it is coming to that area. All right, that's correct. So what we are waiting for now, we are waiting for a pullback. The price should show us a pullback, and now it has created a demand order block over here. You can see in 15-minute time frame, this is the demand order block for now. That price created right now and has given us a break of structure to the upside with an imbalance. As of now, this is going on. So I'll move to 15-minute, and very nicely you can see on 15-minute we have a clean order block over here. So we are creating imbalance with this, and price has broke the previous structure to the upside with help of this order block, right? So this is the price level from where buyers did their thing. They kept on high bets, and they helped price to push higher and breaking the previous resistance, and moving out all those sellers who were sitting here, right? You understood? So this is the demand zone, the short in smaller time frame for now. So if price visits this zone again, I'll be interested in looking for buys, and I can target this one for the first 25, 26. All right, so I'll move an arrow mark. We need some confirmation. A double top is fine, and the break of it, retest, and then we can target this high. All right. Is that thing clear? So this is how we drill down from this lower time frame to higher time frame, higher time frame to lower time frame, and we I found my demand zones, supply demand zones, and the imbalances areas to be mitigated has been mitigated, and from where price could target this and that, everything is sorted right now. Okay, we have this one in the smaller time frame. So I want to explain you one more thing, that you see this price level, you see this price level, right? This was the resistance. Price broke it, right? So we saw some selling from here, right? We see another break of structure, but price again break to the upside. So this is the manipulation area. We can see that it was a support, came resistance, then again it became support, from where price again took the support from this area. So if price breaks this area, right, and we see a down retracement, then on some retest from here only, from this zone, I'll target our the second demand, right? So in this case we can sell gold, and possibly what is the target is 150 pips to 100 pips, which is a decent one for retracement purpose, right? So this is the thing. This is, I can say, fractal point, okay, a fractal zone to be precise, right? I'll mark it with some different colors. Yes, so this is the fractal zone, a critical zone for the price to break or maybe to retest again, and possibly we would look for some confirmation to go for a trade setup, right? So this is the thing as of now. Okay, you see, do you see anything in 5 minutes? This is the demand area. In 3 minutes, nothing. All right, so selling right now on the top is super risky. Okay, it is super risky as of now. So I wouldn't say to sell here on the top, because just because you want to take a screenshot and show that I have a sell position from the top. So I wouldn't recommend that, because looking at the price action is too risky for sells now. Okay, I'd be interested in buys, as I've explained my levels and everything. If it breaks down on the retest, we can get a selling. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Okay, just wait in a chill mode and wait for the price action to do its thing. All right, so I have explained a lot about gold. Did you guys understood anything? How was it? Feedback, you liked it, you didn't like it? Nothing candle on the left side. Yes. So, Carlet Sophie, when circumstances is like that, when you have nothing on your left hand side or on the right hand side, you don't have any supply demand zones. What do you use? You use Fibonacci extension tool, or you may use trend based Fibonacci tool. There is another thing, it is known as trend based Fibonacci tool, that you can use for marking up your levels, your zones, possibly where price could target. Okay. So and there are some other tools as well, but these are the main which I follow. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, one more thing. In 15-minute time frame, we have 6 more minutes left to left. Okay, we have 6 more minutes left for the 15-minute candle closure. What I want is that price should sustain on top of this previous break of structure, right? I want the candle closing to be above. Okay, I want the candle closing to be here. Okay, I want the candle closing on top of this area to be here. If price closes again below to this zone, okay, if price closes here, then this buying would be invalid. Why? Because we saw great rejection and price refused to break above this area. In that case, this will be a new resistance, and we'll see possibly any 1 minute structure to go on to sell and target this area first, and things will go on like that. Okay, for that buying, we need a break of structure to the upside, and price should sustain this. Okay, it should close above this area. Okay, so I'll go with the comments. I had no idea to trade when just continue up like this. Yes, things happen like that. So Carlet Sufi, in that case you should use Fibonacci tool. Okay, and in that case also, wherever you see a higher time frame demand, for let's suppose you see a 4 hour demand zone, order block, anything, you just go and buy on there. Okay, simply just buy there. If stop loss got hit, you can try another chance. For example, for instance, mm the price action is going so much bullish. You see this demand zone, this is our first demand zone. Okay, from where price retraced. Okay, so possibly you could have done a buy from here. On the other hand, you don't see any demand zone over here or here. You see this one. Okay, this order block with this imbalance. Okay, imbalance, so probably you can again go buy from here. Okay, so you should be very clear with your analysis. Okay, if I can show you anything in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour it is very clear. You see, 1 hour we have this order block. You see price retested this order block, and it went, see how much pips it gained to the upside. Okay, again you see order block on the left hand side, price retested it. Okay, price again retested this order block. So you buy on every order block. You see each order block on higher time frame, you keep on buying on that. You see this order block. Okay, this order block with imbalance, so price almost retested it and then it went to the upside. Okay, so you should be on a trend like this, where it is super bullish because of the fundamentals, technicals are going along with that. You should be doing that kind of thing. Okay, so sometimes what price will do, it will mitigate the first order block and it will come to the lower one, so just to manipulate and just to hunt SL. Okay, then it will continue to the upside. Okay, so use SL always. Okay. I didn't see. Great, bro. We'll wait for confirmation. SanFX Kalpa, thank you so much. How come the price will up if candle on top like this, bro? You are echoing badly. Maria Scott. Okay, I didn't. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry Mario, I couldn't read your comment at the time. Really sorry for that, you guys. You guys just didn't bother to disturb me. Is it okay now? Has the echo minimized or what? Can anyone confirm that? Actually, I was not into the comment section. I was explaining the best way I can. Maybe earlier, but not now. Okay, it's fine now, Mario Scott. Thank you so much. All right, all right. So you see, price didn't broke to the upside. Okay, so let's drop down to 5 minute time frame. Can we see anything? 15 minutes is about to close in 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute it's showing nothing. On the other hand, we have the flip zone here. Possibly would like to buy from here, but if only 15 minutes allows. Okay, we'll wait for the 15-minute candle closure and we'll decide on that. Okay, 4-hour candle, we have still 15 minutes left for the 4-hour candle closure. 1 hour also in 15 minutes. The 30-minute candle managed to close above on the previous price level. Okay, 15-minute is yet to close. We have 22 seconds left. Okay, if possibly it's close to the upside, then this will be a valid order block. Okay, also we'll see any confirmation in this fair value gap, because we have resistance on the left hand side. You see, we have this strong resistance area. Okay, we have this strong resistance area. So if price, okay, we manage to break to the upside, we'll drop down to 5 minute and see what confirmation we can get to go for a buy. Okay, so on the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, okay, this is the price level, this is this order block, as I can understand. This is the one to continue for the bullish side. Okay, we'll wait, we'll not jump on straightly. We'll wait here what possibly the price gives any confirmation. 77 pip of SL from here, if possibly we enter from here. Okay, no worries. Okay, now all right, so I'm waiting here what possibly we can see here in a double top double bottom. Okay, and we can buy from here. Otherwise, as I've explained, if price manages to break below this low, okay, only then I'll consider for selling. Until then, I'll just look for buys. Okay, and remember one thing, price is at very much premium zone. Okay, so whenever you're buying from this high, you always should use SL, and you should use proper money management with that. Okay, understood? So I'll go on with the buy from here. Maybe what could be the sell from here? Just give me- 6 pip SL. ठीक है, but let's see यार, still price is going down. Okay, I'll try this buy from here. Okay, I'm entering now. Sorry, with the 5 pips of SL. I'm entering just now with the 5 pips of SL. SL just below this wick. Okay, and you can see. All right, it's going up. Only 5 pips of SL. You see. Yes, I'll give it a 5 pip SL, and let's see what it can do. The price level is 2713.40 almost. Okay, only 5 pips of SL. Let's see. Okay, got sub down, 5 pips loss. Okay, write it here for a track. All right, I'll delete this one now. Okay, just we'll look at the 5 minute what is going on, the 15 minute. Okay, so the price is approaching our demand zone. Let's see what price can do. Okay, from here, let's see what price can do. Okay, I just need a confirmation over here, any structural confirmation, maybe maybe a double bottom. Okay, and a structural break on the retest, giving SL below this low, we can continue the buying, or any entry model is fine. Okay, anything is fine. So we'll wait for confirmation at this zone to go for long. Okay, you see, as I have told you, that news is today we don't have that high impact news. So price is there, resting there to almost where it started the up move. Okay, it came back here. 5 minutes is going up without me. So today I have, if you'll ask me that will be my bias for today, the bullish or bearish, it is kind of mixed, because I can't say that gold will not fall at all today, because you can see that we have achieved this 2700 figure. Okay, also the price is at too much premium zone. Okay, everybody is afraid of. I bet that very few people, traders out there, who will have the guts to buy on here on that high. Okay, anywhere, and just to give a sell, knowing that any time it can come and hit their sell, because we are at too much premium zone, so price can fall hard anytime soon. So that is why my bias is mixed. We'll just go with the flow, what the chart is showing us. We'll follow that, and will not follow our mind what it is thinking. Actually, what the chart is showing, we'll follow that. as I have done my analysis, I'll stick to it. Okay, if price breaks this, we'll go for sells to here. Otherwise, we see any confirmation, and then we can go to the upside. Okay. You see on 15-minute time frame, this is the key area. Okay, this is completely key area to get on a buy or decide it's a bearish or bullish market. Okay. Okay, price is approaching to our order block. Let's see, can it sustain or will it break? If you take an aggressive entry also, what will be the SL? It will be of 30 pips. Okay, so aggressive entry, should we go with that or should we wait for our confirmation? Jaydev Avipari SL 2712. Achha, the previous one you were asking, whatever it was, yeah, it was of 5 pips only. Okay, maybe earlier but not now. Okay guys, so price is approaching a critical zone. Let's see, 5 minute, 3 minute, the 1 minute. Okay, we have equal lows. That means we have liquidity. Okay, let's see, the price has tapped that this almost. Cannot be taken as full BO, cannot be taken as full break of structure, but the line chart is showing the thing. Okay, if I'll see on the line chart, it is clear a structural break, but you see in 5 minutes also a structural break. Okay, thing is, it couldn't sustain to the upside. Okay, it is retesting its the demand zone from where it started. So let's see if it breaks this, that means then this move was fake, this structural break was fake, because this demand zone was the reason why we see a break of structure. If it couldn't sustain on the upside, that means it was a fake. All demands means that smart money, you know, took a sell entry from here, they booked their profits here. So if this fails, as I have explained, we'll look for sells. Clear thing. Okay, just wait for confirmation. We have to decide. Okay, or we let the price decide. You see, will it break or can it sustain this? I'll keep an eye on 1 minute to see if we see any confirmation. Okay. Would like to wait for 1 minute structural confirmation. SL 15 pips. Let's just wait for confirmation. Okay, let's see. Probably we have to wait for that. So as I've explained, okay, I've told several times that this is the critical zone, this is the critical price area, resistance. Okay, if price breaks its demand to downside, and after this liquidity grab, if you see a pullback to the zone again, then will be a nice opportunity to go for sell. Okay, and SL should be above this high. Always going with the SL. Without SL, no trade, no money. Price is rejecting somewhat, but not exactly the price action I want. Okay, this is not the price action I want. It should have retested and immediately it would have, it should have flied, but I don't know. Let's see. You see, this is the decisional zone. I'll put an eye on this. We are observing this area. Okay. अच्छे से देख रहे हैं, देखना इधर पे कि प्राइस रुकती है, ब्रेक कर जाती है. Nice. Demand has kicked in. 1 minute. All right. Nice. So if price close above, okay, you see the pump. That is super, right? We got the confirmation with this rejection. I guess it's enough. So 20 pips almost of rejection. So if price come back to test this price level, okay, with the short SL, I'll go again looking for buy. Okay, this SL would be of 11 pips. Okay, make it 12 pip. So 12 pips of SL. Okay, if price decides to come back, the 5-minute candle, 15-minute, the 30-minute. Okay, all right. See, the 1 hour couldn't close to the upside. Okay, another thing is the 1 hour candle couldn't manage to close to the upside. We see a huge rejection. Also we have the closing of 4 hour. Okay, so no, the plan has shift. No buys as of now. Okay, I'll not go for buy. We are looking to sell now. Okay, nice. Could be a fake out. Damn, just give me a minute. Okay, so I have cancelled the buying plan. Okay, it's not active anymore. Okay, Zabardast. So the things I have observed on the 4 hour time frame, how I changed my bias because of this. You see the 4 hour candle, it couldn't close to the upside. We saw a huge wick. Okay, the 4 hour candle, We will read this candle closely. You see the previous selling candle, it opened here, but the buying candle next one, it couldn't close on top of it. Okay, also we see a huge rejection with the price. Okay, uh, if I'll open the 1 hour time frame, also you can see the 1 hour time frame, we have seen a doji candle, okay, with a huge rejection. Also the point to note is that price closed below this area. Okay, this was the previous selling close. Okay, this was the selling open, this was the selling close. The second 1 hour candle, this one closed below this, okay, with a huge rejection. Shows that we have sort of selling pressure right now. So buying here would be very risky. Okay, and possibly what we are waiting for now, what we're waiting for now is just to a break of this 15 minute is also done. The 5 minute. Okay, I'll delete this once price close below this area. Okay, I'll mark it. Okay, this is the fractal point, as I was saying earlier. Okay, I would like to see a 15-minute candle closing below this fractal point. Okay, and price is creating an imbalance to the upside. We see an imbalance. If price close this below this fractal point, this resistance I told you, right? So on right we have this fair value gap imbalance. If to retest, we can look for sells and we can target the lower demand zones. Okay, so plan has shifted, not looking for buys anymore. Okay, let's see what price can do. 5 minutes is almost breaking. We have liquidities, as I told, double bottom liquidity to be collected. After this liquidity, if we see a pullback, and then on the pullback we are going for sells. Okay, this will be the price level I'll be interested in to just go look for sells. Okay, nice. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, on the other hand, we have a risky selling entry. How? We have this previous all support. Okay, so price gave this fake, it shows this fake candle. Okay, I made a breaker block. So on the retest, what you can do is you can keep a tight SL and just you can sell from here also. Okay, so this is just for scalping purpose, selling from the low. How much will be the SL? SL will be of 13 pips, again 12 to 13 pips. Okay, so on the retest you can sell and you can aim for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Okay, on the retest 1 to 3 trade. Okay, so this will be a aggressive selling entry in case if price doesn't visit this price. Okay, this will be an aggressive selling entry. I'll delete this, but people will think I think this is a setup running now. Once price visit this level, I'll just inform you. The 15 minute is we have still 6 minute for the 15-minute candle to be closed. Okay, you see price is rejecting again to the downside. 5 minute is about to close in 1 minute. Just a 5 minute candle closing below this gray zone is enough. Okay, is enough. Let's see. We are waiting for 5 minute candle closure, and also 15 minute will be additional benefit, but if 5 minutes also close will be a sort of confirmation. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, we'll wait on the line chart. It's about to close in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, congratulations, sellers. We have our new window open for maybe selling. Okay, so these are the two price I'll be interested in looking for sells. This is one zone, and this is the other price area. Okay, these are the two price level I'd be looking for sell. So the target for today would be 26.95, the first demand zone on the higher time frame. Okay, these are the two price level. This will be the final target, but the first target would be 2700 or maybe this demand area. Okay, you can target this one first, and rest you can keep a runner, anything as your wish. Okay, all right, so we'll wait for the price to retrace back to this zone, and boom, we're good to go for sells. What do you guys think about? So turned out it was a fake breakout. Yes, right, यहाँ से फेक ब्रेकआउट हो गया, प्रीवियस सेशन को ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया. हाउ इट इज़ अ फेक ब्रेकआउट? We price couldn't sustain above this resistance. Also we price broke this demand area from where it started. Also it was a fractal zone, right? So this is a fake to trap SMT traders. Okay, I could be wrong also, I don't know, right, what the market maker plan is, but what the chart is showing right now, we have lot of selling pressure. Okay, the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute is closing super bearish. All right, we have missed ours. As I told you, right, this 1 minute order block, we missed it. 30 pips, 2 RR. Okay, this was the scalping zone area. I told you, right, this was an aggressive entry. SL above this high, and we can go for sells, looking for 1 to 3 RR. I'm in sell from 27.13. Mario Scott, you see the hidden talent behind us. Now, why didn't told us that you guys are selling? If you would have let us know, we could have also sell, right? If अगर आपके पास भी कोई plan है, you guys have plans, okay, probably you can share with us here also. No issues. We'll discuss it and we'll take it together. Together we will fight this smart money. Remember, so these are the two zones. I'll wait for retracement, and then we can go for a nice sell. Okay. It was a not confirmed risky entry. I understand that. Okay, so you can't share publicly those risky entries. You are supposed to take it privately, right? Okay. I did told this, but later I forgot about it. This was the selling aggressive entry 1 to 3 RR with a 15 pips of SL. This 1 minute order block, right? You remember? Anybody remember this? Yes, Mario remembered that. Okay, this was the entry order block area, and SL was here 15 pips and a 3 RR trade. I remember I kept, it was a 3 RR. This was it, but now leave it. It was a scalping purpose. This will be very premium price area to look for sell. Okay, and possibly 15 minutes is going to close in 46 seconds. Looking at this candlestick pattern, I can definitely say this that we have a lot of selling pressure right now. So congratulations all those sellers who are holding their positions from 20, maybe 25.50, 26.50. Okay, so today is your day to maybe take a round off and to move out of your position. Okay, so this 15-minute candlestick pattern is very nice. You can see clearly everything I have marked up. The fractal point zone is broken to the downside within imbalance. Okay, and the previous doji with a morning star also. This is morning star, this is evening star, sorry. Okay, very nice. And we have this imbalance on the upper side. Okay, what a nice price action to witness. Better to wait and seller near 27, 11, 12. Yes, exactly. That is the zone. This is the zone. Okay. Zual, where can we see buys again? For buying, I must say, brother, you need to wait for confirmation around this zone, 95 to 90 area. Okay. This previous flip zone, or maybe at 2700. You can go for a buy. Looking, just wait for confirmation and then you can go for buys. Okay, but for now I am focusing on sell. If you see a retracement, we can look for sell. Okay, would give much better RR. Yes, okay, almost 21, 22 people are watching. Thank you all for joining. Okay, so it's been a great day. We all are here to make money. Let's see what setup we can get. Till now I got one stop loss of 5 pip. Okay, I would like to request everyone who's ever watching for the first time, please subscribe it if you haven't yet, and please like the stream. Okay, I can see only how many likes? 8 likes. Okay, 22 people are watching right now. जल्दी से जल्दी लाइक पूरा कर दो. अच्छा, हिंदी कितने लोग यहाँ पे इंडिया या कहीं पाकिस्तान से जो लोग हिंदी समझते हैं? People write in here Hindi or English. You can write H or E. I'll write the comment out. Okay, will be a fun as we are waiting for the price to retrace. Till then we can do some stuff to take out the boredom. Okay. People in here, you can write in the comment section E or H. E represents English, H represents Hindi. So I will understand my audience from where they are. Okay, and you guys want analysis on other pairs? BTC? Yes, BTC, guys. Those who want BTC, you can write BTC or any other pair, GJ, EU. I can do that for you, but I'm a gold trader, and with my strategy and of price action and everything, I'll analyze those pairs for you. Okay, I also trade with BTC rarely, but I just look for good RRs on that. हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ. ओके, जल्दी जल्दी कमेंट करो यार फटाफट से. एटलीस्ट US 100 and US 30. Okay, got one request. We must observe this price area also. We have the order block zone. I'm keeping an eye on. Okay, this is the order block zone. Price is struggling to break. Okay, still price is struggling to break this, and I think we'll scalp a buy from here. Okay, we'll scalp a buy from here and stop loss below this. Okay, and yes, we'll target our supply areas, right? So this is setup has been activated yet. Oh, sorry, it has activated. I went on an aggressive entry from this order block. Okay, so hustle below this low. We have 18 pips of hustle. Okay, and we can target our supply areas. Okay, your price feed is poor. Is it poor? And then I'll switch to good broker right now. No problem at all. It is same, I think. Okay, I mark this zone. We are on a buy from here. We were in a buy from here. SL below this zone. Where was the SL? Sorry, I'll move back to the chart. Okay, running a little bit of drawdown as of now. Let's see. This is just till our, this is the sell limit till our supply zone. Okay, we don't have much patience to wait. We are here to practice, and this buy setup is to our supply zone. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, till now back to profits again. Gold is being gold, doing up and down. Nice buy, sell, everything is going on with gold. Why so? Why I went for a buy? You see, on the left hand side we have. Later now I have noticed this. Okay, actually I didn't notice earlier. Sorry for that. This was the flip zone. Okay, I'll explain you right now. 5 minutes would be good for this. Okay, you see, when during London session price came to a discounted price. Okay, so after sweeping this high, price fell down. Okay, give a retracement of the supply and another break of structure to the downside. Okay, so it was a sort of inducement. So price induced sellers from here showing a break of structure, and then price broke to the upside, breaking this resistance. Okay, so in this resistance price formed a flip zone or a you can say order block, breaker block, anything is fine. You see this order block, small order block, how it has formed. This is because sellers entered from the supply area. You see a order block on the left hand side. You see this order block, right? So price from here showed some interest, and people thought that we have seen a breakout structure, we have seen another microstructure shift, so probably price will go much lower, right? So we saw this order block, and instead price retests this resistance, and it shooted upside, okay, leading to the breakout structure to the upside. All right, so this is a valid order block, and I'm a fool to miss this. Okay, now right now I saw it luckily, and we are on a buy with you guys. So right in front of you, I pulled out the zone, and it is our trade is running in good profits. Yes, ladies, 30 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, not only ladies, 30 पिप में चल रहा है. नाइस. सो आई वुड से कि आप अपने एसएल को ब्रेक इवन ना करें, ब्रेक इवन कर दें, योर विश, but I would say just minimize it and book some partial. I would say book 50% here, okay, and move your SL to 10 pips, okay. So in that case you will have a minimum SL and you will have some runners to go upside. We have booked 50% over here in 30 pips, and rest will continue towards supply areas. We'll see if price is able to break to the upside this area, if price able to break this area. सॉरी यार, नॉट दिस. इसको ब्रेक कर देता है तो फिर रिटेस्ट करेगा, हल्का रिट्रेस, दोबारा इसको रिटेस्ट करके, ये फ्रैक्टल जोन है याद रखना, यहाँ से रिटेस्ट करके फिर ये प्राइस दोबारा ऊपर जा सकती है. ऑल राइट, सो आवर मैक्सिमम टीपी वुड बी हियर. ओके, नाइस टू वॉच दिस ब्लूज. हु ऑल आर इन दिस बाय? राइट, यस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन गाइज, जल्दी. At least show some energy. I have found see this supernova setup for you. At least you can write something, right? Yes, no, anything, just to motivate me. I'll also have fun with you guys. Running in how much pips of profit? Okay, 35. Jaydeva is writing I am. All right, nice. Only one guy entered with me. You guys don't trust me? Oh, how is it? It was a nice tongue. Thank you so much, Mario. I hope you booked partials from your cell. All those guys. Acha, we'll hop on to other pairs as well now. Okay, we'll leave gold now because you guys are not showing any much interest on gold. We'll switch to other pairs. I'm long. You entered with me, or how is it? Will it come down to retest to enter buy? What custard? You see, if you have missed the buy move, I will suggest that you look out for this fair value gap for potential entry, but it will be a risk. It will be on your risk. Okay, this is not my side. If you have missed it, this is the area you can look for the continuation. Okay, my setup has gone well, but this is a key area. Okay, I would say if you have missed the buy, leave it. Okay, don't enter now on an aggressive mode. Okay, leave it. It has done its part. Okay, it has retested this fractal zone, but it's all your wish now. Okay, you have entered. Hey. You have already entered. Bro, let's finish this gold trade. What do you mean? Like you finish this gold trade mean? I didn't understand your words. Please don't jump onto other symbols. Okay, all right. I thought like people are not interested in this gold. That's why. IPAN solution, Sultan Conference System Limited. You are doing a great job, bro. Thank you so much for your kind words. Okay. So, how much RR we got in this trade? Our SL was below this low. We got 2 RR. Okay, this is a win-win trade situation. Okay. That is a win-win trade situation. In that case, now back to higher time frame. Price is struggling to break below this, break above this. Okay, so not valid anymore. The order block has done its job, and we'll close the remaining positions here. Okay, whosoever entered on the buy, if your partials are running on here, I would say that you should close all your positions right here. Okay, I'll delete this and I'll delete this. Okay, close it. 35 pips as a win. Okay, delete this. The order block has served its purpose. Okay, the slaver has done, it has done its purpose for the master. Okay, so the order block has done its part and it has shown us a good rejection of 40 pips. But as I told you, this is the fractal point. This is the fractal point which price is, it is unable to break right as of now. Okay, I'll write the win first. Where is it? Okay, SL, we had a win. TP 35 pips. Okay, so these two setups, one we took 5 pip loss, the other one gave us 35 pips. Just waiting for more setups. Okay, it didn't visit at this price level. Yeah, damn. How do you place trades? How many positions do you place? What custard? Okay, I'll answer your question in a while. Give me a few minutes. Since price is struggling to break down. Okay, probably Okay, I'll answer your question first. What you asked, how do you place trades? How many positions do you place? So doesn't matter how many positions. I risk 1% of my equity. Okay, near about, I would say 1%, sometime 2%, depending on the power of the zone, like how much how much valuable the zone is. Okay, and okay, let's suppose I took a buy from here. The previous one I'll talk about. Okay, I took a buy from here. So in this case I risked 1% with a single position. Okay, so the single position I was holding, I risked 1%. I, with this 1% risk, I gained almost 2%. Okay, so what I did, I closed almost, you say 75% of my positions, that is 1.5% I have closed, and remaining 0.50% I was on break even. Okay, later then I closed all here. How many place you trade? So I think I answered your question. How many positions do you place? So if sometimes, let's suppose I have this zone. Okay, this is of 20 pips. Okay, this zone is of 20 pips. If I want an aggressive entry, that if I am confirmed with my I am confirmed with my strategy that it will go down from here. This is a good price area. In this case, I'll go for an aggressive entry. I'll risk 2% here because the trade is more high probability trade. Okay, in my terms, as I have analyzed, so I'll risk 2% overall in this zone. I'll open layers, okay, of multiple positions, so that it will add up on 2% of my account. Okay, you understand that? I hope. You're welcome. Still we are stuck with coal. Okay, it has managed to break. It is managing to break to the upside. Let's see, can it do that? Still price is retesting this zone again and again. Okay, not even a 5-minute candle managed to close above it, so making it a critical point again. Okay, we have our zone just on top of it. If you see any spike or something, we'll look for sells from here and here, two price levels. And our target for today would be this, the first TP and the second TP. Okay, that will be enough for today, I guess. I'm just waiting more to see the higher confirmation. Thank you, Bhai, for these videos, finding it very beneficial, especially gaining knowledge. Thank you so much, yeah, for your kind words. I'm really impressed. I'm happy that you are learning something out of it. That all these years, मैं पिछले 5 साल से ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ, मैंने इतने सारे लॉसेस किए, बहुत सीखा, ठीक है, बहुत सीखा, बहुत गवाया, बहुत कुछ सीखना भी बाकी है, बट एटलीस्ट व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड, आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई एम एबल टू ऐड वैल्यूज़ टू योर नॉलेज. ठीक है, so that you can make less loss. This market is too rigid. Okay. अच्छा. Then I guess if you're a new वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम इंडिया. हाँ, मैं इंडिया से हूँ. अच्छा, जो लोग यहाँ पे पहली बार वॉच कर रहे हैं चैनल को, दोज हु आर watching this channel for the first time, I request them to please subscribe it, and if you are finding it informative, please refer the links or the channel to your family and friends so that they can also learn from it if they are in trading industry. If they are not, then please don't recommend them to join this industry. मैं इंडिया से हूँ. हाँ जी. प्राइस ने तो अपसाइड ब्रेक कर दिया है अभी. ओके. अभी देखने वाली बात ये होगी कि ओके, प्राइस तो हमारे एरिया पर पहुंच भी गई है यार, बड़े फटाफट पहुंच गई है. देखते हैं यहाँ पे 1 मिनट में कुछ कंफर्मेशन, और ठीक है, यहाँ से एंट्री लेते हैं. और सेकेंड जोन ये है. आई विश मैं काश वो अपनी जो ब्रेक इवन एंट्री है उसको होल्ड रखता. नॉट ब्रेक इवन, आई थिंक वी मूव्ड सेल टू 10 pips. इट वाज हियर. सी, वी वुड हैव बीन इन 55 pips ऑफ प्रॉफिट विद द ब्रेक इवन. इंडिया में किधर से हूँ मैं? फ़िलहाल तो दिल्ली में रह रहा हूँ. ठीक है. आई विश आई वुड हैव होल्ड माई buying position, but no regrets. I made profit out of it. Now moving on to another setup. No rejection, no entry. ठीक है. No confirmation, no entry. All right, price is rejecting from there. 1 minute, the 5 minute. Okay, let's see what probably we can. Okay, this was the imbalance. Let's see, this is just price now tapped into the imbalance. We'll see. We'll wait for few more minutes for confirmation, and then we'll enter. Okay, so this sell could be risky again. I'm speaking because okay, as the price action is too bullish, always use consistent lot sizes. Okay, don't just hop in to different lot sizes when you gain confidence or you are just winning. You just keep on increasing your lot sizes. Don't do that. If one stop loss got hit, you're gonna lose all your profits with that one single trade. Okay, 349 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए हैं. इसको 350 कर दो एटलीस्ट. छोटा चैनल है, छोटे मोटे आदमी हैं. इसको अगर कोई नया देख रहा है, किसी ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इसको 350 कर दें एटलीस्ट. आई नीड वन मोर सब्सक्राइबर टू मेक इट 350. विल बी एन अचीवमेंट फॉर टुडे. हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द इम्बैलेंस? 15 मिनट में है ना. आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. You missed it. Okay. This 15 minute, you see the balance area right now. between these 2 weeks. So this is the imbalance area. Okay, and we have our QM pattern, the fake out high, the low, and price is supposed to be reversed from here. Okay, let's see if confirmation is seen only, other than no. What a super pump from here. अच्छा देख रहे हो कितना ज़बरदस्त पंप हुआ यहाँ से। हमारा प्रीवियस का जो सेटअप था तो उसने तो ताबड़तोड़ प्रॉफिट दे देनी थी। हाँ जी, हमारा सेटअप से ये TP2 के ऑलमोस्ट, ये हमारा TP2 था ना, 70 पिप्स ऑलमोस्ट रन कर गया। नाइस वन। हाँ, दुख, दर्द। Okay, so I'll delete this zone, not of any use anymore. Let's move on to another one. देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या होता है। अच्छा, प्राइस तो रिजेक्ट नहीं कर रही है अभी तक कोई इतनी ख़ास, तो जब तक रिजेक्शन नहीं। ओके, सुपर। Ayodhya Faith, I'm adding one of your subscribers. Thank you so much. I guess you are the one. What would you recommend for someone to start learning trading? Uh, okay, we'll do the chit chat. We'll go with the Q&A. बट अभी गोल्ड तो यार ये सारे लेवल्स तोड़ दिए. ओके, फ्रॉम 5 टू सुपर, ज़बरदस्त मूव मिली है अभी गोल्ड को. तो अगर इस ग्रे जोन के अंदर प्राइस क्लोज, अच्छा 13 सेकेंड्स रह गए हैं. लेट्स सी इफ 5 मिनट्स कैन क्लोज बिलो दिस जोन, विल बी वर्थ टू वॉच. अगर यहाँ से नीचे अभी तुरंत क्लोजिंग मिल जाती है ना इधर ही, तो विल गो फॉर एन एग्रेसिव एंट्री. ठीक है, और असल जस्ट इस वीक के ऊपर होगा. ओके, इफ़ वी मैनेज टू क्लोज बिलो दिस जोन, विल गो फॉर एन एग्रेसिव एंट्री. ठीक है. ओके, क्या पंप मिला है. गोल्ड नीचे जाने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा अभी तो. देखते हैं यार, इस जोन के नीचे ही सेल करेंगे, वरना सेल नहीं करेंगे फिर हमने क्या करना है देखते हैं. फिर दोबारा ऐसे बाइंग कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. प्राइस अगर दोबारा यहाँ आती है, एक तो सबसे पहली बात यहाँ से सेल करेंगे. ठीक है, अगर प्राइस इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग दे देती है तो यहाँ पे सेल करेंगे और यहाँ तक इसको टारगेट रखेंगे. ठीक है, देन फिर हम यहाँ से कोई कंफर्मेशन पे इसकी बाइंग ढूंढेंगे और इसको बाय करके फिर असल को ब्रेक इवन कर देंगे. ये इधर से हमारा सेल ब्रेक इवन और ये यहाँ से हमारा बाय जो है वो ब्रेक इवन है. तो बोथ ट्रेड्स जो है वो हेज हो जाएगा. ओके, इफ़ इट गोज ईदर साइड यू विल बी इन प्रॉफिट, इट विल डम्प, इट विल बी यू विल बी इन प्रॉफिट. ठीक है, इन ऑल द केसेस यू विल बी इन प्रॉफिट. सो this is how actually I do in this kind of scenarios where you are uncertain about the direction, long term direction I must say. So you can do that. What would you recommend for someone to start learning trading? What should I recommend? I should recommend that first of all you just choose a strategy which suits you. I won't say which suits you, but choose a strategy that which you understand ki, okay, this is how it works and this is the best part, this is the worst part about it. Okay, so choose a strategy like that which you understand each and everything, how you should trade in a ranging market, how you should trade in a I would say expanding market, everything. Okay, so first you choose a nice strategy, and then second thing is you start back testing it. Okay, on the free time, on weekends, or any other day, you start back testing it. Okay, so when you'll back test your strategy, you'll understand and you'll gain confidence that okay, this is my strategy, this works. And okay, while back testing, note down the things, how many trade you take on the strategy. Suppose you are trading gold. Okay, so just note down that how many you trade. Let's suppose you took 20 trades on Saturday, back testing it. Okay, and back test it, forward test anything, and in that 20 trades, if you see that your 12 to let's suppose 13 trades you are going with profit. Okay, in 13 trades you are profitable, and in 7 trade you lose. Okay, so go for with and these things you have chosen a strategy, you are writing a note of it. Okay, how many trades you are trading, and how many wins are there, how many losses are there. And the third thing I would say that choose a wise risk to reward ratio. Don't just go on a random risk to reward ratio. Let's suppose 20 RR or maybe 10 RR or maybe 7 RR, anything randomly. Don't just go on that. As a beginner, I would say you just focus on 1:3 risk reward ratio. As a beginner, that is more than enough. Okay, This is more than enough as a beginner. And see then how you are growing your account. Let's suppose you have $100 account, I would say, and in the $100 account you are following proper risk management with a proper risk to reward ratio. And then see that is your strategy working, how is your mind working. That also you need to observe, that how you are behaving. Are you greedy, or are you in control, or how you are doing things. Okay, so these are all the factors you need to check upon as a beginner. First and the foremost thing is to choose a strategy, or to learn a strategy, or maybe you can find your own strategy which suits you. Okay, then you can hop on to all other things. So as a beginner I will recommend all this thing to you. Going down on my chart, no, it is 5 minute chart, brother. uh, it didn't break the zone yet. Okay, still it is upholding the zone. Okay, can't risk it now, we have to wait patiently. Where did you start from, by, and what strategy do you use? Okay, my strategy is combined of so many other strategies. Okay, mainly if I'll say I trade on structure. The first thing is structure, the second is supply demand, the third thing is SMC. I include the liquidity zones, the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity, the fair value gap, and everything. So combining all these things, I made up my own strategy. Okay, so the all behind all these scenes, structure is the main part. Okay, I look on the structure, how it is going. We have bullish, bearish structure, everything. Okay, you name it, everything. Okay, okay, price is going to break maybe to the upside once again, and if it closes to the upside again, then damn, we are gone. On that case, on this case, this will be the entry area. Let's suppose if price breaks to the previous high with a full candle closing on the top of the previous high. Okay, candle closes above, then you should wait for retracement to this area, which is the fractal zone for today, 2709, and you wait for some confirmation, and you can go bullish and again target this 2730. Not to forget that price action is still bullish on the higher time frame, right? So these are just the part of rejections or retracement you see on smaller time frame. Can we sell now? No, don't go for sell right now. Okay, so it will be super risky. I wouldn't recommend you, but if your strategy is saying so, then maybe you can manage it, but I wouldn't say you should be selling right now. Selling is only below this zone. Okay, in case if you are lost and you're looking for some zones level, This is the price level. Below this you can sell. Okay, till this you should be your first TP. If it closes below this zone, or retest, you can sell. Okay, wait. Okay, we should wait patiently. Nice. So price is coming back to break our zone, but not yet. It has fulfilled. Let's see what it can do. You guys have any other question? You can ask. प्राइस इसको तोड़ नहीं पा रही अभी भी, ये जोन लगा हुआ है, ठीक है, अभी भी इसके ऊपर सस्टेन्ड है। जब तक इसके नीचे क्लोज़ नहीं करती तब तक सेलिंग रिस्की बन जाता है। देखते हैं बाकी। और जो बॉन्ड यील्ड है वो क्या कर रहा है। अच्छा, मुझे एक बात पूछनी थी। आई बेट यू गाइज हैव मेट समबडी हियर जो कोरिलेशन ढूंढते हैं, ठीक है। दे लुक इन कोरिलेशन बिटवीन यूएस ट्रेजरी बॉन्ड, 2 years बॉन्ड यील्ड, 10 year बॉन्ड यील्ड, अब मुझे वो बताओ, ये बुलिश जा रहा है, ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ गोल्ड भी बुलिश जा रहा है। यू सी 10 ईयर, ये भी बुलिश जा रहा है, उसके साथ गोल्ड भी बुलिश जा रहा है। ओके, सो वेयर इज़ द कोरिलेशन, कहाँ गया आपका जो यूएस डॉलर इंडेक्स है, वो भी बुलिश जा रहा है, गोल्ड भी बुलिश जा रहा है। समझ रहे हो कुछ? Okay, this was I have done this analysis on the previous times. Price failed to retrace and straight up it is going to the supply. Okay. BTC USD. Okay, I think this is a very old analysis. Yeah, I think I have done it 3-4 days back. This was the selling area. Probably looking for some confirmation to sell. The selling is only for retracement purpose and sell to buy. Okay, so the buying target would be very high for this, and BTC is overall bullish. Okay, so be very cautious with the sells. It is super bullish and we have been buying this in our stream. यहाँ से we were buying. Okay, from here we buying, and I so miss so many stream, but overall it's bullish, and probably these are the areas you should look for sort of retracement, then retracement only to buy. Okay, not to look for reversal in BTC just to buy again. Okay, so BTC is very risky to trade if you especially don't have a grip on your strategy. Okay, I would recommend choose these pairs very wisely. Okay, choose several pairs जो लेस वोलेटाइल, आप यू बिगिनर हो तो आप थोड़ा लेस वोलेटाइल पेयर्स की तरफ जाओ. इवन गोल्ड इज ट्रेडिंग गोल्ड फॉर अ बिगिनर इज रिस्की. ओके, वेरी फ्यू पीपल, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेडर्स है जो लोग गोल्ड ट्रेड नहीं करते हैं, वो लोग अदर पेयर्स ट्रेड करते हैं. क्या करता है, गोल्ड बहुत मैनिपुलेट करता है और बहुत वोलेटाइल है, एक्स्ट्रा वोलेटाइल है. Looks like when dollar index is relaxing, gold seeing the opportunity and firing all guns. Correct. Okay. Apart from all this, abhi the main problem is with the Middle East situation. Okay, I would say, and second is the economic results that have been printing for US dollars. Okay, so they are on a verge of cutting interest rate. Check H4 chart. Okay, H4 is about to close in 2 hour 49 minutes. Okay, still have time, and I think looking at the H4, wait a second, bro. Looking at the H4, it looks like we have more potential for the upside. Okay, the H4 candle opened, and it opened and it gave a wick to the downside, and now it is extending its upper body. Okay, so still we have 2 hour for 50 minutes. We have a lot of time for the candle close. Okay, the what is the 1 hour telling us? The 1 hour has completely changed the story. You see a nice morning star in 1 hour. Okay, this is a nice morning star, and it has been forming in this high. It has so much potential, and definitely it can reach 27, 26. No doubt in that. Okay, so 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Now our job is to wait for a retracement, and probably we find a bullish setup. Okay, so this area again, I said 20709 or something will be a nice price level to go for buy and ultimately target this area. Okay, do you see 15-minute time frame? Yes, I do see 15-minute time frame. You see, I have marked, I see 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour daily. Okay, I do watch all this time frame. What happened if it didn't break? Could be dropped to 82690. 2690 वो तो बहुत दूर है. The story is too far. 2690 is too far. 2690 can only be seen if price remains below 2708. Okay, this zone. If price remains below this zone, then only we can see 2708, 2795 area price levels. Otherwise not, forget it. Okay, beginners should stay away from volatile pairs like gold, silver, crude oil, indices, crypto. Yes, absolutely right. So to some extent, if you are trading from 1 year, 2 years, you can keep keep your feet on gold. Okay, you can just soak your feet on gold, but I would recommend that stay away from crude oil, indices, and crypto. Okay, those are much volatile than gold. I see. Khaled Sofi. Okay, where from? You, okay, so I'll wait for 10 more minutes. If price doesn't do anything and ranges over here, I think I'll close the stream. Okay, it's been almost near around 2 hours, so I have to we price should do something. Okay, sitting simply like this doesn't mean anything. Either price take out these highs or price should retrace here to add on our buys. Okay, even GBP. Yes, one more thing, stay away from JPY pairs, even any JPY pairs, be it GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, any JPY pair. I don't trade it. I used to trade it when I was a beginner. Okay, so then I left all these pairs. Okay, I used to trade GBP, JPY too much, too frequently, and one day was the day when I decided not to trade on JPY pairs again. And trust me, I hope that you you didn't see that those days. Okay, am I audible now? Am I audible? By now, you are asking. Nope, 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 nope. Price. Actually, actually, this was only the zone, but no, I'm not buying in here because you see, buying in here doesn't make any sense. If you are buying here, okay, let's suppose just you buy it here. What should be your SL? Below this, 70 pips of SL, and what you are targeting? This 70 pips. So this is not an advised risk to reward ratio. All right. So buying here is doesn't. I'm not agreed to it. My only buying zone is this 2708. Okay, if it holds, we go bullish again. If it breaks to the downside, then we probably can see 27 2695 and all. Okay, not buying in here from the high. Okay. Or we go sell 2724. Yes, 100%, exactly. If I see price here at 2726, this area I'll definitely give a shot to it. I will be looking for sales, a 100%. Okay, but not, I will not buy from here. Even I'll not buy from here as well. Okay, I'll not buy from here. Only price level I'm interested to buy is this one, 2709. Okay, so that at least it can give a good risk reward ratio to me. If I am buying from here with the confirmation, let's suppose, and even though if I take aggressive entry, my SL would be 40 pips. Okay, and compared to this, my first target will be 70 to 80 pips, and my final target would be 170 pips. Okay, so definitely this will be a good idea to either buy or sell. If it breaks to the downside, okay, what if I'm wrong? If it takes me out with the stop loss, and then again I'll wait for some retracement, some confirmation. Okay, and then I'll again sell targeting 2695. Okay, I have 150 pips or something in my hand. Okay, look for this is it. We now we do nothing to gold. Just let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it come to your zone. Okay, before entering to any trade, let the price come to your zone, and then you decide what to do. Okay, don't take random entries. Okay, let the price decide first, then you decide. Now itself price is confusing where it should go. It should pump or it should dump. Price is confusing, and then how can you be so sure about your entry levels? Same price already overbought for this day, bro. Yes, I understand that price is overbought for today, but I'll give you one more example. You remember yesterday what happened? You would have said that price is already at overbought zone here. This high, it gave a retracement, but you see from there, from this high, price already made 200 pips on the Asian session. Okay, so this is the thing with the gold. If it is in trend, super trend, likewise it is same for every day. Okay, if you see every day, see how bullish it is. Okay, and selling, as I said, is only for retracement purpose. Okay, don't rely on it unless we see nice structures being formed on higher time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, daily. Okay, that will be plenty much to go for start looking for sales. But as of now, you should be focusing on buy. Okay, and I will tell you one more thing why I'm interested in this price level. Because see, this will be a sort of, not a sort of, it will be an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, also known as QM. This will be a inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so this will be optimal entry area, because this price level retested this demand price, okay, which order block I have shown you this demand, and it gave a structural break to the upside again, so makes this demand a valid one again. Hence you can look for buys. Okay, so I explained you two things. One is this order demand, why this order block is valid, because of break of structure, imbalance and all. Second thing is we'll be having inverse head and shoulder, and yep, the third thing is the trend is bullish till now. Okay, you see 30 मिनट में तो ये पूरा ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है, ये क्लीन ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है. 15 मिनट में भी दिस इज़ नाइस मॉर्निंग स्टार ऑल्सो. अच्छा, ये 15 मिनट का ये इम्बैलेंस है, आप देख रहे हो ना. दिस इज़ 15 मिनट इम्बैलेंस, इट्स नॉट विजिबल ना. I'll mark it with other color. I'll write it IMB. Okay, this imbalance will be mitigated with this. This imbalance will be mitigated with this if price retest it. Nice, and then we can go for nice trades. Understood? And if price continues going high, it continues making higher highs like this, slowly let it go to this price level. And then if we see any significant structural break, market structure shift, anything, we would be interested in to look for sells, and we'll sell again with this target. Okay, so this is in my mind. So let the price go to either direction, and then we will execute our trade with higher probability. Okay, other than doing random stuff out here and there. So this is the summary for today. As of now, we got a stop loss of 5 pips, and we got a TP of 35 pips, which could have been much more if we'd have stick to our SL. Okay, I closed it. I thought that this fractal point is not breaking, so I thought that it will go more deep. Rather, we should book the remaining break even. From this level, price is almost hit our TP2, which was TP2 was here. This was a TP2, 70 pips, and almost running 127 pips. So no buys from here. No buys from here. Okay, do not buy from here. Because see, again I'm explaining, if you're buying from here, okay, what is the target level you are looking for? This 27, 20, even 30, 70, 80, 90, 100 pips. Okay, on the other hand, where should be your SL? Okay, think about that. And if you are looking to buy, I would say that this is the buying here is very risky. Anytime anything can happen, and I think this should be the small order block in 1 minute, where you can probably buy. Okay, this is on 1 minute. Okay, look for confirmation, anything. This is unmitigated one, 10 pips of SL maybe, and you can target 70-80 pips. So this will be a good risk reward ratio, and this order block is still unmitigated. Okay, this one already done by this, filled by this wick. Okay, and this is already filled by this wick. So this is here unmitigated as of now. You are rightly said, we'll look for buys only near 2709. Yes, thank you so much, you understood, and you are adding to my points. Okay, see, all right guys, I think I have explained everything. Okay, you just watch the price action, and if you want to draw out the levels, you can align with mine, or you can just observe your strategy. I have said all the price levels, I think it's time to close the stream. Thank you all for joining. Have a great weekend ahead and enjoy your day. Okay. If you are not getting a good high probability setup, just don't enter. And thank you so much all for joining and making it an awesome stream, an interactive one. Do join on the other days. I'll give it a shout out on the Telegram. Okay, when I'm going live, and the Telegram channel link is in my description below. If you are new, just join it. Okay, and thank you so much all for joining once again. Okay, have a great day ahead. Good night.